Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine. And how are you?
Very. I'm also very good, Raina. Yesterday, I saw your abacus. You people had made abacus and sent on the class group.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? They were so lovely. Such lovely ideas you people had. And who was that creative child who made the abacus with cracks? Who was that child?
Ma'am, I think he is not in the class.
Okay, he's not in the class. Otherwise, also,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I was not attending the classes for 1 week because I have to go on a trip to Haridwar. So that's why I was not attending 1 week classes. So I'm now regularly going to attend the classes and complete the whole work of the all subjects by 3 to 4 days.
Very nice. Lovely, Panchul. How was your trip, by the way? How was your trip to Haridwar?
Ma'am, it was amazing.
It was amazing. Very nice.
Please, my abacus.
Very nice, Bhavya. Wonderful. So you people did it all by yourself? You people did it all by yourself or you took somebody's help?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Wow, Yashmit Mishra, very nice. Wonderful work.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I brought my excursion book yesterday.
Okay, wonderful. Very nice. Very nice, Raina. Your work looks so pretty. Just like you, huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I also brought my book.
All right. So how many?
Ma'am, I also brought my.
Very nice. Wonderful. How many
Ma'am, I have brought.
how many of you still don't have your books? Your SST books? Is there anybody in the class who doesn't have the book till now?
Ma'am, I am going to be bringing it
Ma'am, I
today.
have.
Okay, Jaskaran and Panchul don't have their books till now. Okay. So beta, when are you planning to buy? When are you planning to get your books?
Ma'am, today.
Today. Okay. Wonderful.
The photo of the pages on the group. Who don't have, they can read from there.
What photo of
Ma'am,
what?
The pages which we will read, and they can also read from that photo.
Okay, okay. No, no. So we're not doing the reading work today. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain you this chapter through some key points. Okay. Those who don't have the book, don't worry. What you have to do is you're just supposed to write the key points in your social studies copy. Is that fine? I told you to make SST copy, which would be one side plain and the other side ruled. All of you know it? Which copy is supposed to be your social studies copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I knew it, ma'am.
What, Summer?
Ma'am, copy.
Yes, beta, from inside it should be plain on one side and lines on the other side. Okay, yes, very nice. Because we have to draw a lot of pictures in SST. We are going to do a lot of drawing work as well. Okay, did I make you write the difficult words of chapter number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did I make you draw tools which are
Yes,
used?
ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So now, very nice. Very good, Pranav Agarwal. I can see your work. Very nice. Okay. So now what you'll do is on a new page, write down your this thing, name of chapter number 1, which is understanding history. Put today's date, write down the heading, chapter 1 and understanding history.
Something. And I want to ask you. Ma'am,
Yes.
when we start the chapter number 1, understanding history, we write chapter 1, understanding history, but we have to write this in a new page also.
Okay, if there is space left on your this thing, the old page, in the old page, if there is space left, then you can start your work from there. Okay, you need not use a new page, you need not waste the old page. Okay, right, beta? Understood what I'm saying?
We will not make any other diagram.
Okay, wait, let me adjust this laptop in front of
The diagram.
अभी मुझे आलू कर मेरी कर
children. Is the blackboard visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So write down chapter 1, understanding history and key points. We are going to write the key points of this chapter. Can anybody tell me what are key points? Yes.
Ma'am,
When the points that are in the keyword.
Ma'am, the keywords that are in the nutshell.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I think
Athar Gupta, tell beta.
Ma'am, the points which are important and found in the nutshell of keyword.
Yes, very nice. Key points
Ma'am.
are the main points and the important points. Now we are going to write the key points, the main points or the important points of chapter number 1. Now when you go through these points, you will cover up the whole chapter. Okay? The whole chapter is summarized in the key points that I am making you write. Is that fine? Now whenever you have to say that, okay ma'am, I have done my work. Now I have done my work, you used to speak when you were in class 3, when you were too little. Okay? Now what you say after finishing, you will say after writing one point, when we have to move ahead to another point, you will say, ma'am, let's proceed. Is that fine? Everybody will say, ma'am, let's proceed.
Ma'am, let's proceed.
Very nice. So everybody has written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Proceed. Proceed is move ahead, move further.
Ma'am,
Alright.
I have book.
Very nice. Very good. Everybody should have their books by now. Now, the first thing, when we read the chapter's name, what do we? Yes? Anybody wants to say anything? Or shall I proceed?
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is saying ma'am, ma'am?
Ma'am, आपके under
Ma'am, you should proceed.
Okay, thank you, Arav Gupta. Okay, everybody will now
मैम आपके
group them.
चैप्टर 1 अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा दिए
No, beta, no. We are just starting this chapter. I'm making you write the important points today of this chapter. Okay? We have not even read this chapter till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because all of you don't have your books. So once you'll have your books, I will start the chapter then. Now, when we read this chapter's name, Understanding History, so what do you think that we are going to study in this chapter?
We are going to be studying about history.
We are going
Very
to
nice.
study about
Study about
to understand what is
about
history and we will
past.
study
Yes.
about the
We
past.
are going to study.
Ancient
We are,
times.
wonderful. We are going to read about what history is. So can anybody tell me what is history? If I ask you a question, what is history? Can
And
anybody
history
tell me?
is the study of
History is the
past.
time passed
Study of
away.
past.
Historian time.
The
Study
ancient
of
You
things
past.
already
that
know
happened.
it. Wonderful. So point number 1 comes history is the study of the past. Everybody speak.
History is the study of past.
Very nice. Wonderful. History is the study of the
Ma'am, I
past.
can't.
History is the study of the past. Then we have to copy.
Yes, you have to write it in your social studies copies, beta. You have to write. Now,
Yourself, ma'am, I can't.
okay. You're supposed to write. Now, before every chapter, before starting every chapter, I'm going to give you the key points of all the chapters. So that when you prepare for your exam, you go through these key points and you are able to answer each and every question. Each and every true and false, each and every fill in the blank. Everyone has written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what shall we do?
Let's proceed.
Wonderful.
Let's proceed.
Very nice. Okay. Now tell me another thing. What are the people called who study history? Do we call them by any special name?
Ma'am, historian. Ma'am, historian. Ma'am, historian.
Wonderful.
Ma'am,
So another point is people who study history are called, what are they called? Historians. People who study history are called historians.
Ma'am, please pin yourself. Ma'am, children are speaking, so ma'am, I can't see you. See the
What do
board.
I do?
Ma'am, please pin yourself.
Okay, I'll pin myself.
Highlight the
Now can you see everybody?
Yes,
underline.
All of you please mute yourself, children. The most important rule of online class, mute yourself.
ma'am, done.
Ma'am, let's proceed. Ma'am, let's proceed.
Okay, proceeding.
I'm not done.
Okay. Now, when we study history, what we study in history?
Ma'am, please side.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in history we study that the history is divided into three parts that are ancient, medieval, and modern period.
Wonderful, Shaurya. What do we study? What do we study in these three
are divided in three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern.
Very good, very nice. But what do we study in these three different periods? When we study about the different periods of history, what do we study in them? What do we study in the ancient period?
Ma'am, we study the ancient period.
And the medieval is the period of kings, and the modern period is the period
Now.
in which Gandhi ji is
Everybody
born.
has written. Everybody has written this. Shall I stand here now?
I'm not till now.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, let's proceed.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Now everybody will be quiet and let me tell something. When we study history, we definitely study these three periods. But what do we study in these three different periods? We study different types of stories. We come to know about, we read different stories of different people. Isn't it? Some stories belong to the ancient period, some of them belong to the medieval period, while some to the modern period.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
Gandhi ji and Bhagat Singh stories are of modern periods.
Okay, so when we say that we study history, so we study history of different, we study in history, we study stories of different people of different times. Why do we say different times? Because one, beta, wait, let me finish first. Nobody will speak in between. Let me finish. Let children understand what I'm saying. Then put up your question. So when we study stories of different people, we study stories of different times as well. Some people belong to the ancient period, some of them are from the medieval period, while some belong to the modern period. So let's come to the key point, how we are going to write it. Let's see here. Point number 3, history is full of stories of different. History is full of stories of different people of different times.
Let's proceed.
Let's proceed.
If you are unable to understand from the board, from
Ma'am,
the
let's
blackboard,
proceed. Ma'am, please slide.
if you are unable to understand from the blackboard, I have also sent the work on the class group. I have taken a picture of this board and sent it in your class group. You can see it from there.
Ma'am, please proceed further.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
baby. All right, let's move ahead.
मैम
Yes.
Archaeology.
मैम ये हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज दिए फोटो
Yes, beta. I have sent it on your in your class group.
Ma'am, can I tell the
Yes,
the
ma'am.
two main parts of history?
Okay, we'll talk about that. We'll come to that also. Don't worry.
Ma'am, let's proceed. Ma'am, let's proceed.
All right, let's proceed. Now I'm going to erase this board. Everybody is sure? Shall I erase the board?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please share.
Before writing the next point, let me discuss the next point with you. When we study about different people, when we study about different times, what do we realize? We see that we see that our ancestors. Who are our ancestors?
पूर्वज
मैम खोजिए हिस्ट्री को
Yes. Ancestors, yes. The ones who used to live long back and are not alive now. They are our ancestors. So they have left so many rich customs and good habits for us. And when we see those customs and good habits, what do? We appreciate it. What do you mean by appreciate? We praise it.
Ma'am, we give respect to them.
We praise it. Praise. When you do something good, do your teachers praise you? Do your teachers praise you when you do something good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your parents praise you when you do something good? Yes. So when you do something good and nice, you get a lot of appreciation. Similarly, when we look at the rich customs and good habits which our ancestors have left for us, we appreciate it. It makes us appreciate the good habits and rich customs that are left by our ancestors. So let me just erase the board now.
Ma'am, what is appreciate?
Okay, which is the next point number? Is it number 5 or 4?
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, number 4. Ma'am, 4.
History makes us appreciate the rich customs and good habits left by our ancestors.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is after the after appreciate?
Makes us appreciate the. Is it fine? Yes, beta.
Good के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Good
Ma'am,
habits.
please read after habits.
Good
Ma'am, please
habits
read after habits.
left by our ancestors.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
what
read
is
after habits.
what is written by after appreciate the
It is left by
Ma'am, के
our
बाद क्या लिखा है?
left by our ancestors.
ma'am what is written after appreciate the
Appreciate the rich customs.
okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
I have done.
Please
Yes.
ma'am, let's proceed.
All of you, are you ready?
Ma'am.
To proceed? Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, then next point. Now, when we study history, when we talk about history, so can you tell me the period or the date or the year when history started? Does anyone know when history started from? Is it any particular date
History.
in the calendar? Yes.
No. Ma'am, history starts from the time when life began on the earth.
Yes, when life began on the earth. Very nice. And till what date? Is there any end date of history? That till this date we have history.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, we're not available.
No, there is no last date of history. What is happening today will become history tomorrow. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is going to happen tomorrow will become history day after tomorrow. So, with this, we come to know that history does not have any end. And it started when the earth began, when life on the earth began. It started from then. So, we divide history into 3 periods. That is why, yes,
Medieval and modern.
yes. So when we talk about history, we see that history is very vast and continuous. It does not have any end. So let's write history is vast and continuous. History is vast and
History is
continuous.
नमक पी रही है नमक पी लो बंदा आप लोग लग गई मेरा
Ma'am,
Yes?
Let's proceed.
Okay. Very nice. Very quick.
Decide.
Ma'am, let's
Very quick.
एंड क्या
CONT
रुको रुको सी अरे यार कॉन्टिन्यूस कर रहा हूँ और इसके पीछे है
let's proceed.
CONTI
Okay, let's proceed. Now, the third point is that all of you know it. All of you know
And
the
you?
third point. Oh, sorry, not the third point, the last point.
Ma'am, sixth.
Yes, last point of our key points. History is divided. You can also write this point without looking at the board because all of you know it. History is divided into 3 periods.
Three parts. Ma'am, parts.
3 periods, not parts, 3 periods. What are those periods? The ancient period,
Second year medieval modern. Ma'am, modern period.
medieval, medieval and
The modern period.
beta, let me write first, then I'll move aside. Who is going to write if I move aside? Tell me.
Ma'am,
History is divided into 3 periods.
I've written.
Ancient,
I have-
medieval
Am I
and
done?
modern.
ma'am, I have written this point already.
Oh my God, already, very good.
Am I already?
And do not say that history.
So I'll take a picture of this one also and send it in your classroom. Now children, all the 6 points are there in your class group. If you missed out anything, please write it from there, or if you cannot understand it from here. Just check your class group.
I have done. Am I done? Ma'am?
Yes.
See. Ma'am, the article also write.
What? What beta?
Ma'am, and this also write.
Beta, I can't understand except for ma'am. I can only hear your ma'am, but not what you're saying.
Ma'am, I.
Now what you will do in the remaining time, just take a color pencil, underline all the headings, just decorate the numbering part, highlight the numbering, and if you feel that any word is important, like history is fast and continuous, you can just highlight these 2 words. People who study history are called historians. So historians can be highlighted. Okay, make your work look very presentable and beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Just decorate the key points where you have written the key points, the heading, everything in the last 4 minutes. Children, are you tired after writing all these points? Are you
No,
happy?
ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All
No,
right.
ma'am.
Very nice. Very good. Now, after coming in class 4, you will have to build this habit of writing a little. Because you are big students now. Yes.
Will start.
Slowly and gradually, you will learn to write even more.
Ma'am.
Yes.
From which class we will factory subject will start?
What beta?
And from which class are? Ma'am, please check my word. I have sent on WhatsApp.
Okay, very nice. Shaurya Tyagi, very beautiful work. Yes, this is how I want the work.
कितना बढ़िया करा है इसने और
है ना, कितना बढ़िया करा है ना. बस आपने म्यूट नहीं किया ये बोलने से पहले. Who was it? Was it Arav Gupta?
Ma'am.
Huh? Tell me. Okay, I'm removing the pin, children. Who was it? Please let me know. Don't feel shy. I'm not going to scold you. But I just want to know that who is acknowledging or who is appreciating the work done by Shaurya. Okay, now this is Samarth's work. That is also very nice. Very good.
And please see my work, Samarth.
Yes, very nice work, beta. Keep it up. Yes. Anybody else? Okay, Akshudha Tiwari. Very good, beta. So all of you are sending the work one by one, huh?
I also send it.
Agrita. Okay. Then I have Sanvi's work. Very nice work, Sanvi. Good. Sanvi, beta, please check the spelling of medieval period from the class group. Check the spellings and make the correction, beta. And also the spellings of appreciate. Appreciate is also wrong. And also the spellings of ancestors. History is the study of the past. P-A-S-T. It's looking like you have written P-A-I-T. And it is the key points, not the key prints. Sanvi, beta, you've made a lot of mistakes. So when you are free right now, just see, look at your mistakes, check from the class group, the work that I have sent, and make all these corrections and send your work to me again. I want to see all the rectified work. Okay, Naman Khandelwal, very nice work. Parishtha, beautiful work, wonderful. Arav Gupta, beautiful work. Arav, where is the name of the chapter? You have not written the name. Then Palvini, very nice. Palvini, a lot of spelling mistakes. Beta, you also need to check your spellings. Raina Agarwal, beautiful work.
Then the class is over.
Yes, the class is over. Now you can go and join your next class.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, we have to write the chapter's name again in the exercise of key points.
No, beta, you don't have to do anything now. You